kung nasaan ang action ng Panginoon. Pumunta ka, makiisa ka, at hindi mo ito pagsisisihan dahil ang Panginoon ay naroon. Ngayon, ang bansa natin hinahamon. Ang bansa natin challenge and not seeing it as a problem. It is about time for us to be one. It is about time for us to be consolidated. Let us really show to the whole world that we are Catholics. Since we've been promoting it, since we've been bragging all about it, let us do something good not only for ourselves, but for everybody. Ano ang dapat natin gawin? Let us do good. Let us do good because in doing good, you will feel good. And if you feel good, my dear sisters and brothers, you will be happy. At napakaganda nito. Wala na pong gaganda sa gagawin natin ito. We are loving life, protecting life, promoting life, respecting life. We are killing and fighting the culture of death. And we are promoting the culture of life. Yun ang itinuturo at ipinagagawa sa atin ni Jesus. And there's no better things to do in this world than to do the will of God. Because the will of God is what will bring us to everlasting life.